everyone, I'm back with some holiday cards for you. This card is a full card that's kind of done using some origami, some very simple folding techniques. To start, I am taking some vellum here that's printed with a nice star pattern, and I have it cut to, I believe, 3 inches by 3 inches, but you could really use any size that you want. And then you fold it down the middle, as I did, and then I'm folding up the corners to that middle folded line to create a triangle of sorts. And then I'm going to flip it over on the fold and flip the other two sides in to create a double folded triangle. You'll see what I mean here in just a second. So here's the folded line, there's the two triangles. We're going to fold up and crease once more, and then I'm going to take the edges and fold it back down again. So this vellum pattern that I have here is printed brightly on one side versus the other, so you can kind of play around with pattern paper and see which sides of pattern papers you want to show, or you could just do it with plain white paper. But I want the finished piece to look like this, where it's two doubled sides of triangles. And I'm going to do the same type of folding with a few other sheets here, going down in size with my starting off piece by about 1/2 inch. So I started with a 3 inch by 3 inch square, then I had 2.5, I had 2, and then 1.5 inch square. And then for the base of my panel for the card, I ran some craft cardstock through my embossing machine here and got a little wood grain pattern. Now I'm adhering these triangles down to create my Christmas tree for this card. So as you can see, this is why it benefits to go down about like a 1/2 inch in size when you're starting off your squares to make each fold. And this is why the double fold actually looks good. It looks like it gives it more of a 3D shape. To add a topper to the card, I just added a punched star out of some red crimson paper. And then I added some enameled dots, just very scarcely around the outside, to create this dimensional tree. I threw the whole thing down on top of a craft cardstock in a little bit darker shade, and that finished off this card. I left it without a sentiment, but you could definitely add one down at the bottom or up top if you wanted to. I just like it plain. And that finished off my card for today. It's very simple to do and needs just a limited amount of supplies, but it's kind of a fun 3-dimensional card to hand out this holiday season. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!